In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Kindle app on Android. The Kindle app allows you to read millions of ebooks from Amazon directly on your phone or tablet. It's a brilliant way to access a world of literature at your fingertips. So, let's dive into the steps to get it installed on your Android device. First, you need to open the Google Play Store. To do this, unlock your Android phone and locate the Play Store app on your home screen. Once you find it, tap on it to open. The Google Play Store is your gateway to thousands of apps, including the Kindle app. It's the safest and most reliable source for downloading apps on Android. Now that you're in the Play Store, let's search for the Kindle app. At the top of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap on it, then type the word Kindle. This is how you find all the apps related to Kindle in one convenient search. Using the search bar ensures you find the app quickly without scrolling through endless lists. Once you have searched, look carefully for the official Kindle app. You want to make sure you select the correct one. The app should be labeled as Amazon Kindle, and it is developed by Amazon Mobile LLC. Double-check these details to ensure you are downloading the legitimate app. Choosing the official app is important because it guarantees a secure and optimal reading experience. After confirming you have the right app, it's time to install it. Tap on the Install button, which you will see on the app's page. You will then need to wait for the download to finish. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Waiting might require a bit of patience, but this step is crucial to getting the app properly set up on your device. Once the installation is complete, you have two options to open the Kindle app. You can either tap Open right there in the Play Store, or you can find the Kindle icon on your home screen and tap it. This flexibility allows you to start reading right away or return to it later when you're ready. Now it's time to sign in. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This step is vital because it connects your reading preferences and purchases to your account. Signing in ensures all your books in progress are synced, making reading seamless across devices. Here's a helpful tip to enhance your Kindle experience. The app allows you to download books for offline reading. This feature is perfect for when you're on the go without internet access. Moreover, Kindle automatically syncs your reading progress across devices. This means you can start a book on your phone and continue on another device without losing your place. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded and set up the Kindle app on your Android device. Enjoy diving into your favorite ebooks and exploring new genres. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reading.